nakita na natin na kagaya halimbawa yung sa kaso ng PhilHealth, napakalinaw ng Universal Healthcare Act, no? Na meron talagang dapat papupuntahan yung pondo na yan. At hindi mapupunta yan kay Martin Romualdez or hindi yan mapupunta kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Hindi yan mapupunta sa Supreme Court o kung ano mang ahensya ng legislative, mga executive and judicial. Hindi yan mapupunta to kasi meron siyang dapat paglaanan which will go to it will accrue to the benefit of its members ng PhilHealth.
Tapos ang masama pa niyan na nakikita ko, kinukuha nila, nilalagay nila sa unprogrammed fund so that they can use it for whatever purpose it will serve them without going through pre- and post-audit of the Commission on Audit and simply certifying. Kunyari, gumastos sila ng 100 million. Isi-certify nila, uy, gumastos kami ng 800 billion.